Right, so it is the next day. We have just woken up and we're about to go to a Wetherspoons just down the road to get some breakfast, and then of course we're heading off to the Trafford Centre. Jade has got this massive purchase planned for today at the Trafford Centre, like big monies. So that'll be interesting. Apparently we've got a queue there first because it's going to be really busy. So we're going to go and get some breakfast and then we'll do that. But someone's got money. Right, so I've gone for the sausage sandwich. Jade has got big breakfast thing. We've both got apple juices, so I mean, looks good to me. Right, so made it to Trafford Centre, all parked up. I had to take over the driving a little bit because somebody got a little bit lost and confused, bless her.
You
so
were directing me.
I had to take over the driving, you know, standard. But we're here. As you can see, Trafford Centre, right at the Debenhams entrance. Let's go. Gone with the black mask today to match the black outfit, of course. Masked up in the shopping centre. Standard. What are you thinking on this one? Really like chocolate t-shirt. Seen this in a previous vlog, but the Ninja Funko Pop, very cool in game. If I watched him more, I'd probably buy it. I just don't really watch him. Never been particularly a big fan, but it's still pretty sick. Alright, what do we think of these guys? Jade's getting these orange, peach, paper bag shorts, whatever they're called.
I thought they were yellow.
Tenner. Okay, we thought they were yellow apparently, so that's interesting. But overall, the Trafford Centre is just very aesthetically pleasing. Like, it's very nice to look at. Like, everything is very pretty. Like, I've never been here before, but it's so pretty. Like, surely it's so nice. It's like everything is just really like nice to look at. It's so aesthetically pleasing. I mean, just look, I've got this fountain below me. If I look up, I've got these amazing artwork all the way around. It's just really nice. I don't know about you guys, but I love an American sweet shop. Like, it's just everything is so good. Right, so basically we're not even coming to watch a film. We just want to see what the Odeon experience is like. So obviously we both work at an Odeon. We just want to see what it's like, pretty much. What? Oh, is the Ben & Jerry's closed? We wanted a milkshake. But look, they've still got like a box office and everything. Remember when they used to have a box office at the cinema? That's sick. Right, so, like I say, we just wanted to basically see what the Odeon experience is like. We did actually want milkshakes. We thought we'd get them on our discount, but they said they can't do milkshakes because of COVID and whatever, so we just got ice cream in the end and a drink. But obviously got it on our staff discount, so nice and cheap. But except I was speaking to the blokes, they say it's really weird. I've got obviously a system in place, but no one follows it. So I've dropped my spoon. Right, so basically the bit we're in now is like based around like being inside of a cruise ship. So like that over there is like the main bit of the cruise ship. And then like the rest of it is just like this, it's just sick. Like this Trafford Centre is mad, it's so pretty, everything is just so very nice to look at. Alright, Jade has bought, I'm not going to show you what, but it's an apple bag, so you know it's expensive. We'll show you later. Right, so I haven't picked up my camera in a while. We've done quite a bit now. We're back at the car. We're not going home yet. We're going to go back in a minute. We're trying to bring the bags because they were getting heavy because Jade's bought a lot of things and my arms were hurting from carrying them. Don't worry, Jade was carrying her own things as well. And she's giving me a look to say, don't make it look like you weren't. But we're just having a bit of a rest. We're going to go back in. We've done Primark and everything. Jade's done a big Primark shop that she does everywhere we go. And last time we went somewhere, we went to Milton Keynes, I did a drinks test of a orange Rockstar, I do believe. And we've been in a sweet shop and I found a green apple Fanta. So I'm assuming this will just taste like apple tango, but I wanted to see, so we're going to give it a go. Jade's not thinking apple tango vibes, but this is the can. Fanta green apple. Did you like it or not?
I won't get your hopes up.
You not like it?
Nope.
Doesn't taste like apple tango.
Definitely not.
I'll tell you what it tastes like. Do you know? Do you remember those like
These green sweets?
green lace things that you used to get from? They were thick. They used to get from the shop that were like 10p. Green lace sweet things.
I was thinking of those sour ones.
Oh yeah. Tastes kind of like them. It's quite refreshing. I do like it. It's just not what I was really expecting. Anyway, right, we're going to go back inside in a minute. And I haven't actually bought anything. I literally bought nothing. From all the way to Manchester, I haven't bought anything. It makes me quite sad, gonna be honest. So,
I'm fuming.
Jade's fuming that I bought nothing. She's absolutely fuming. I don't really know why, but she's fuming. So I've been told I've got to go back in and buy something. Also, that top, the white top we saw that I said I liked, they didn't have that in any sizes. So I don't know why they were displaying it. They didn't have any stock in any sizes or anything. So I couldn't buy that, even though I liked it. So I'll try and buy something. I've found a fantastic bit of Selfridges, the sale section. There's two things here I've got for 50% off, and I'm going to try and both on check they're right, so different sizes. But 50% off, these things are so cheap. Look, we've got this diesel tape t-shirt, which I've wanted one of these for a while. It's actually an extra large, but it doesn't look very big. And then we've got this like really luminous orange, adult supervision is recommended, and then some text on the back. They're so cheap. It's mad. Right, let's try them on. Right, this one, definite yes if you ask me. I really like the colour. It's really nice. I'll try and show you the back if I can. But yeah, liking this one. I think this one's 40, so good price. And this one, again, a definite yes. Would you believe this is an extra large? Extra large. Look, it's not even like oversized. I really like this. Got the, I don't know if you can see it too well there, you've got the green diesel logo with the tape print. I love these, this is really good. And this is only $22.50, so what a bargain. Somehow I'm shopping diesel in Selfridges. Don't know, I didn't know I had that kind of money. Right, didn't actually show you in there guys, I just showed you the bag, but I just bought like a Hugo Boss t-shirt. It's just got Boss written on it with these white stripes. Looks really nice. Yeah, so safe to say Jade got me to treat myself. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Now, if I am correct, that is Old Trafford. It's pretty cool. I've been to Old Trafford before, but I haven't actually had to come when I was very little. That's quite cool. Right, so we've arrived back at our parking from yesterday. We've obviously had to pay for another 24 hours of parking. We are here, and we're going to go back to the shopping centre we went in yesterday, have a proper look round, hopefully get the joggers we were looking to buy in the Trafford Centre. We just didn't have our size. We're going to get some matching grey and white joggers because we're such couple goals. And that's about it. And then we'll get dinner. We're going to go Pizza Hut for dinner. So, let's go. That's well cool, up there, look, on the roof. Right, so basically me and Jade are massive Friends fans, and in Manchester they have the Central Perk Cafe, the actual like a replica of Central Perk. I mean, it's closed at the minute. You can see it, it's like an actual cafe. It's sick, and they've got the sofa. It is well cool. Right, so in the end they didn't have the joggers in our size. We're going to order them online, because then we can get them both. We both can get them matching then, which is better. Right, so Pizza Hut's secured. I've got a pepperoni pizza. Jade's just got loads of sides, onion rings, fries, raw fries, barbecue sauce, and salad. Let's dig in. Right, so all back from today, obviously at the Trafford Centre. It was really good. Tomorrow we're not sure what we're doing. I think we're going to do like a mini golf or something, and maybe go back to Trafford Centre to just get some bits that Jade just forgot to pick up. But we've had our pizza, it was really good. We've just got some snacks from Tesco to chill with tonight. And if you were wondering what Jade got and she is planning on setting up tonight, she's treated herself to an Apple Watch Series 3. So, what a bloody legend. She was like, yep, I'm going to treat myself. So we're going to set that up now, just chill, have a chilled night again. And I'll see you in the morning pretty much. So yeah, probably mini golf in a bit.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures for